In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate Trello and Zoom, seamlessly integrating these two powerful tools to streamline your workflow. Whether you're managing projects or collaborating with colleagues remotely, this guide will help you get started with connecting Trello to your Zoom account. First, let's head over to the Zoom Marketplace, which is your starting point for integrating these tools. Open your web browser and type in marketplace.zoom.us in the address bar. This is the central hub where you can find and add various apps to enhance your Zoom experience. Once you are on the Zoom Marketplace, the next step is to search for Trello. In the search bar at the top of the page, simply type Trello and hit enter. This will direct you to the page where you can access Trello's Zoom integration. On the results page, you will see Trello listed there. Click on Trello's title to proceed to its dedicated app page. Now that you're on the Trello app page, you'll need to add it to your Zoom account. Look for the Add button on the page and click it. This will prompt Zoom to ask for necessary permissions to connect Trello to your account. After clicking Add, you'll be redirected to an authorization page. This is where Zoom needs your permission to proceed. You'll see an option to allow access. Click on Allow. This is a crucial step as it confirms that you trust and want to use Trello within your Zoom environment. With those permissions successfully granted, a setup window should pop up prompting you to open Zoom meetings. This step helps ensure that everything is correctly linked and ready for use. Once in Zoom, open the Trello chat window. Here, we'll get things connected properly. You can start by typing help in the chat. This command usually provides you with a list of available commands and guidance on using Trello's Zoom functionality. Next, type connect in the chat. This will initiate the connection process between your Zoom and Trello accounts. You'll then see an option that says connect to your Trello account displayed on your screen. Click this button. Following this prompt, you'll be asked to log into your Trello account. Ensure you enter your credentials correctly for a seamless integration. Once logged in, a connection request will appear where you clicked connect previously. This is a final authorization step from Trello, so just click connect once more to proceed. You'll receive a final prompt asking you to allow Trello to access certain permissions within Zoom. Finally, click on allow. This finalizes the integration and you can now manage your Trello tasks directly from Zoom, enhancing your productivity and communication with team members. Now you're all set up. With this integration, you can easily track tasks, collaborate on projects, and make your Zoom meetings even more productive by utilizing Trello's organizational features. Keep experimenting and exploring these tools to make the most of your working environment. Thank you for watching and happy organizing.